Do you ever wish you were back in the 80s, using an enormous desktop computer and using a retro-style screen? Well, with Linux in 2025, you can. I am just using a standard Linux box, and by typing the command sudo apt install cool-retro-term, I already have the package installed, as you can see. To start up the whole application, on the terminal type cool-retro-term. This fires up the retro-style terminal with a CRT effect and gorgeous orange font. By right-mouse clicking on the screen, you get to choose your profile, basically whichever style you like. I switched to green. Nice. I feel like I am in some government lab in the 1980s. There are several different styles. This one is called green scan lines. You can even select the old Apple font and screen style, which Steve Jobs himself would have worked on with the WAS. The profiles can be selected as you want, but also you can change the specific settings of each profile. Like here, we can change the specific font and colors of different aspects of the terminal itself. If you then come out of there and head to the Effects tab, you can alter the profile even further and change settings such as bloom and jitter, which make it look even more 80s. Just play around with the settings and enjoy a journey back in time to films such as Tron or War Games. Visit our video short about how to make the effect of the Matrix on your screen. Thanks for joining us, and see you for the next video or playlist. Bye for now.